How many of you have ever been in a negative environment surrounded by negative people telling you what you couldn't do all the time? One of my principals, Mrs. Lucifer, she used to fly into my classroom every single day on her broomstick with her Hermescal and her foreboding clipboard, and she used to write me up for everything she thought I was doing wrong. She was killing me. But I had a guardian angel. I was blessed. I used to teach at a school where I was the only man at my school. I was the only white person at my school. I taught with predominantly elderly African-American women from the South who all had been teaching for at least 20 years. Well, my mentor was Mrs. Turner. Mrs. Turner had been teaching 40 years. Mrs. Turner was from Alabama. She believed in two things, discipline and the Bible. Amen. When her little, there's my Baptist. Amen. When her little ones got out of line, she started reading aloud Revelations to them. And it was Mrs. Turner who taught me a system on how to bring joy so that all of us continue to be lifelong learners. And hopefully I'll be able to impart some of her wisdom during our limited time together this morning. So
Derita. Stop. Mo kare. Hop. Don't move.